Alrighty, we have a nice big LED light. It's an industrial light. It's nice and bright. And they took it out of a building. And what I'm going to do is put a cord on it and make it into a very nice work light. Whoops, that's a 3/4. So I won't be able to use this. Okay, so we have a 3/4 inch Romex connector. So we'll just screw it down into the fixture like this. And we'll just take our one screw out here. Make sure we have room to push the wires down inside. Okay, I'm going to cut them shorter here. I'm going to strip them with our wire strippers here. Okay, we have a 3-prong cord here with this kind of an end on it, so we're going to cut this end off. And we'll score very gently around the outer jacket here. And we'll just bend our make sure we didn't cut into our wires. And we didn't, so we'll cut our debris off here. And we'll strip these wires. And let's see how much room we have down in the fixture. Take this off again. Okay, there's not much room in there, so we're gonna go down to some real small wire nuts here. So we're going to use some small wire nuts here. Here in the country I was born in, on your 110, 120 volt cord, your black is live, your white is neutral, and your green is the ground. And we'll get these wires together. So we'll get our insulation even at the bottom like this. Twist our strands together like this. Get our copper to be even at the top, like that, and our insulation even at the bottom. Take our little wire nut, make sure our insulation goes up inside that wire nut there. We'll do the black, make sure all our strands are up. Get our insulation even at the bottom like this. Get our strands like that. Twist them together like this. See how they're twisting together evenly? Getting our copper even at the bottom here. See how the copper is even at the end and our copper is even at the end and our insulation is even at the bottom? Set our wire nut on here. Make sure insulation goes up into the bottom of the wire nut. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. And our white, which is our neutral wire, we'll do the same thing. Get your insulation even at the bottom like this. Start twisting our wires so that they go together evenly like this. Insulation even down here, and our copper is even up here. Take our wire nut, make sure insulation goes up into the bottom of that wire nut there. 1, 2, 3. And now we can push our wires down into our fixture here. I'm going to push them down in one at a time. I can use the head of a screw to push them down because I'm not going to use the sharp edge on the wires. go. They go down inside here. There they all go. Make sure our clamp will tighten on the cord here. So I'll just lift our cord up a little bit. Now I can build it up with some electrical tape. I was just using the head of that screw where there's nothing sharp that could puncture the wires. Wires are down below the connector there. Make sure I'm centered in the connector here. And I'll just make sure our connector is in here nice and tight without pinching the wires there. There it is. So we have a nice hook here to hang our light up when we are working somewhere. And we'll plug it in. Peace. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, so that is how to take and make a light fixture that was taken out of a building and converted into a nice portable work light. Here in the country I was born in, our quartz wires color code is black live, white neutral, and the green is the ground. Peace. Thanks for watching. That's for all gauges, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10 AWG.